Zimbabwe glad VP Chiwenga is alive. But what's going on inside ZANU-PF? 09 August 2025. ZANU-PF Secretary for Legal Affairs, Patrick Chiwenga, has reignited political chatter after reposting, without edits, a statement confirming the co-option of controversial businessman KUTYA Tagwari into the party's central committee. The statement returned to X, formerly Twitter, just hours after it was taken down, fueling speculation of internal disagreements, with some party watchers linking the move to alleged attempts by Vice President Constantino Chiwenga to curb factional maneuvers within ZANU-PF. The reversal has sparked intense online debate, with many questioning whether the party's top brass is aligned on Tagwari's controversial rise. In the reposted message, Chiwenga laid out a detailed timeline of the co-option process, describing the uproar as much ado about nothing, and blaming misinformation and disinformation for the controversy. He revealed that Harare Provincial Coordinating Committee, PCC, first recommended Tagwari's co-option on the 31st of March 2025, with the proposal later endorsed by the Politburo on the 2nd of July, without objections. The matter is set for formal noting and adoption at the next Central Committee meeting, alongside 4 other co-options from Mashonaland West and Matabeleland North. The only explanation why the Tagwari co-option has attracted such controversy may be because there are people out there who have an axe to grind, Chiwenga said. While the party insists the process followed due procedure, the political storm around Tagwari's entry shows no sign of settling, with questions lingering over power plays at the very top of ZANU-PF. Like, share, and subscribe to Zim News, Live YTS for updates on this developing story.